0, 1. Perfect number. A perfect number is a positive integer number which is equals to the sum of its proper positive divisors. For example, 6 is a perfect number because its proper divisors are 1, 2, 3, and its sum is equals to 6. Write a C program to check whether a given number, n, is a perfect number or not. Program explanation. In this C program, we are reading the integer value using number variable. A perfect program explanation. In this C program, we are reading the integer value using number variable. A perfect number is a number which is equal to the sum of its divisor. For example, divisors of 6 are 1, 2, and 3. The sum of these divisors is 6. So the number 6 is called a perfect number. Answer. For loop, the statement is used to assign the modulus of the value of the number variable by the value of I variable. If condition statement is used to check the value of rem variable is equal to 0, if the condition is true to execute if condition statement and compute the summation the value of some variable with the value of I variable. Another if-else condition statement is used to check that both the value of some variable and the value of number variable are equal. If the condition is true, print the statement as a perfect number. Otherwise, execute else condition statement and print the statement as not a perfect number. Line 1.